These are the current padlocks that I have successfully been able to pick. Master lock, usually there's a Brinks one, another master lock, and these are a couple of door cores. These are my tools. These are handmade. This is a finishing nail, hammered and bent in the end. This is a piece of spring metal, thin spring metal, a piece of aluminum, and these ones here have 3-inch pin nails from a compressor nail gun with handles attached and glued on. Anyway, lock picking tools are illegal to carry outside of the home, as well as very difficult to obtain. So you can legally own them. However, they are only used for professionals, locksmiths who are licensed in Ontario. But you can still take it up as a hobby and in your own home try picking locks. This is a hobby, and it's a very puzzling type of a hobby. Let's see if I can get more locks. All right, later.